The value of this school is the career tech. It's the hands-on experience. It's that stuff that gives these kids a path, it gives them an avenue, and it gives them a vision.
Before I was in Cypress, I wasn't doing much. After I came here, the construction course helped me get my job at Monarch because I was more comfortable with power tools and things like that. And the teacher, I feel like he made me a better person. So I was still acting up and stuff back then. He straightened me out, he just helped me a lot.
The qualities that Jermaine brought with him, I think the most important thing is he is so open to feedback. Jermaine came to us ready to start a career, and that's something that I don't think is very common in a lot of young people these days. We can give him constructive criticism or make a suggestion to him, and he is so open to just trying it and following through on making changes and practicing to do better.
If I never came to Cypress, I'd still be in high school now, working a bad job 100%. Probably still be real timid, real shy, just goofing around all the time. But now I feel more complete as a young man.
Getting your credentials in high school is a big step for sure, especially that OSHA 10. It is a requirement for our carpenters to have at least their OSHA 10, and our foremen, they eventually have to get their OSHA 30.
To have a student like Jermaine come in where he already has those foundational construction skills, it allows us to get right into really the fun part of it. The angles and the cuts and setting seams and color matching, all of that is very specific to the job. It's nice to be able to jump into that kind of training right away.
We need skilled tradesmen. That's why I'm here. That's why I go to all these schools. Any type of benefit of me coming in and talking to the students and getting them excited to work in the construction industry is always a great partnership.